In this video, we are going to show you how to make Snow Angel Bath Truffles. These luxurious little treats will leave your skin soft, your bath sparkling and your bathroom smelling divine. Let's get started by gently melting your shea butter and cocoa butter. Add both butters to a microwavable jug and heat in the microwave. Next, in a large mixing bowl, add bicarbonate soda, SLSA, citric acid and cream of tartar. Give everything a good whisk to combine evenly. When your butters have cooled slightly, stir in your polysorbate 80, glycerine and add that dreamy Snow Angel fragrance oil. Mix well until everything is beautifully blended. Slowly pour your melted mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing as you go along. Knead the mixture until it feels soft and dough-like. Time to bring your Snow Angel theme to life. Split the mixture into 3 bowls evenly. Add your light pink mica into one, pink Eco Spark into another and the pearl Eco Spark into the third. Mix each bowl evenly until you've got an even coverage. Add each colour to the mould to combine the colours together for a hue of pink. You can press the mixture firmly into the silicone moulds for a neat finish. Leave your truffles in the mould for about 6 hours to firm up. Once they're hardened slightly, gently pop them out and let them cure for 24 to 48 hours in a cool, dry place. And there you have it, your Snow Angel Bath Truffle is ready to be used. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your fellow makers.